First of all, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala once again for gracing us with this moment to celebrate the birth anniversary of the beloved daughter of Imam Amir and the Lady of Light. My felicitation goes to the Imam of our time on this auspicious occasion. And second felicitation goes to our scholars. And third felicitation goes to each and every one of you, brothers and sisters, lovers and followers of Ahlul Bayt, on the arrival of Sayeda Zainab to this world. The ayah I've just quoted from glorious Quran is Quran 24, verse 36 and 37. That is Surah An-Nur. This ayah of glorious Quran talks about the importance of a house or home. And departing from this ayah, my discussion of tonight will be a lesson from the life of Sayeda Zainab alayha salam. We will inshallah look at a bit of her biography and take at least one lesson from the biography of this great lady for us to try as much as we can to implement it in our lives. As I always mention repeatedly, that when we celebrate the lives of these great personalities, the essence of all these celebrations and commemorations is to pick up a lesson or two from their lives. And not just to pick up those lessons, but to be able to see to the implementation of those lessons in your lives. Their lives are like pivotal or central to our lives. And Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala expects us to take them as our role models, as those people that we look and check and assess whether we are on the right track or not. So inshallah, we're going to look at the birth of Sayeda Zainab and her relationship with the Holy Prophet and her relationship with Bibi Fatima and her relationship with Imam Amir al-Mu'mineen and Imam Hassan if time permits. Otherwise, we'll leave it for next time. And out of all these, there will be just one lesson that I want us to learn. That is the lesson of creating a conducive home for our children to grow. Because today there are so many challenges out there. And with the implementation of the new curriculum of RCE, I see parents, some are reacting, some are shouting, some are crying. But all this shouting and crying, I don't think will help anything. What will help is to sit and pause as parent, as father, as mother, to say, what can I do to minimize the danger of all these things? If you feel there are dangers there. What can I do to bring my child to be a good child? To be a child that not only I can be proud of him or her, but the community or the society will be proud of that child. And these, as Muslims, we need to know it in advance. We need to know that Islam has given us these children as Amanat. And each and every one of us will be questioned how you bring your children. I always mention it's not about money that you bring to your child. It's not about the food. It's the value that you instill in your children. That values will stay with them in dunya and akhirah. And you will benefit from those values, and the communities entirely will benefit from those values. All of us are busy trying to make money. We are busy trying to make names. We are busy trying to become famous. When we have forgotten the most important thing is to instill at least one or two values in our children so that those children can be useful and productive to our communities and to our societies. So it's important when we examine the life of Sayeda Zainab to realize that what made Zainab Zainab is the home from which Zainab came from. It's important. If we discuss about Amir al-Mu'mineen or we discuss about Hasanain, one thing we cannot forget is their homes, where they came from. Their parents, their fathers, their mothers. They played crucial and critical roles in their lives for them to be where they are.